I'm having this holy cow moment because I can't believe I'm standing up here in support of a Senate-passed Keystone XL Pipeline Approval Act. Mr. Speaker, the broad support for building the Keystone XL pipeline is truly remarkable. This bill is bipartisan, it is bicameral. In fact, it commanded a supermajority in the Senate. A majority of the American people want to see the pipeline constructed. The pipeline has been studied and studied and studied again. In fact, way up to the State Department, which approved the pipeline more than a year ago. This kind of support for a piece of legislation is a rarity in Washington. It doesn't get any better than this. And that's because the pipeline has unquestionable merit. It directly creates jobs. It's a shot in the arm for our energy economy. It will make America more energy secure, an aspiration of presidents and Congresses for decades. And it's now within our grasp if we choose to seize it. Why our president would threaten to veto this bill is beyond rational explanation. Its economic benefits could not be more evident. Mr. Chairman, I sincerely hope the President reconsiders his threat to veto this so American workers can finally start to construct and reap the benefits for the American people. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I yield back.
Gentlelady yields.